Hey YouTube, what's up? Look what I got here today. I have this guy. For a while I haven't had one. So I was moving to get up and rolling, and then I got this going today. This is a bin, and I cleaned it out real good. Didn't show that because doing too much work, and been kind of boring to watch someone clean out a bin. So I didn't show that, but I am showing this right now. As you can see, I got this wind a little bit, so I might hear the wind in the background. And what this white stuff is, I put a small amount of dish soap in to kind of keep this from getting kind of dirty or kind of stuff mosquito eggs down. And this tube over here, I can connect, and it comes out of there. So you connect that to the right here, and that way this needs to be cleaned. Or if you high up, this will pop water out here. I take this little piece off, you can see what it looks like there. And this is what it's on. It's on it very bad. And then I turned on water. I got this right here. I've ruined. And my actual YouTube picture, I have a picture of this. So that's what it looks like. There's that. And I did put a new clamp on it. So okay, so this ever fails right here, all I have to do is take this and turn it off. Just like that. And the shut off valve, let's see if you can try to shut that to the quarter turn. So this ever fails, this whole thing here is waste. I got, let's see, you can try to show it here. This right here shuts off the water. All you have to do is turn it like that, and now it's off. I turn it back on. All I have to do is that. And this one over here doesn't really work or do anything. So I'm leaving it off with that cap right there. So, and this blue one right here, this guy right here, that's right off. Try to show it. Goes to this out here. See, there's that guy right there. And that just goes to some misters I had up and running in the summertime. I think I'm gonna try to mow some of the grass right over there. So, yeah. Oh, I need to zoom out. There we go.